Hey guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul, this is Tech and Travel, and boy have I got a video for you tonight. So, it's been 6 months since I bought my 65-inch BA OLED, and each month I've been doing a burn-in test to see if any burn-in shows up. So, tonight I will be doing my 6-month burn-in test, so that should be interesting to see how that goes. But I've got some amazing news. Now, if you aren't a subscriber, please bear with me because you still will probably be interested in this. So for all you guys who do follow the channel, you may remember a while back I asked if there was any company that could send me items to unbox, what would you like to see? And you guys commented below and you let me know what you did want to see. So after that video, company got in contact with me and said they like what I'm doing with the channel and they want to help me out. Brilliant, I thought. So I was expecting maybe to get a couple of little items or whatever. But after sending a few emails backwards and forwards, they let me choose exactly what I wanted. So you guys asked for it and I'm going to deliver. So, first thing, you guys asked for a soundbar. And yep, I got one for you. So, I'm not going to show you it now properly, but I'll give you a little sneak peek. And there we go. LG soundbar. So how good's that then, guys? Fair play to this company. I'll be telling you all about them in my next video, but it don't stop there. Oh no. What else was it you guys asked for? Yep, you said you wanted to see one of the latest LG OLEDs. And yep, they sent me one. Fair play, they sent me one to unbox for you guys. A 2019 LG OLED. Again, I'm not going to tell you exactly what model it is, but I'll give you a sneak peek now. So, without trying to show too much, here we go. LG OLED and 2019 model. Yay! So, what do you think about that then? Pretty good, eh? So, I will be unboxing these over the next few days and uploading the videos. Excuse me. So chuffed. Fair play, like I said, to this company. He's helped me out. And they will be sending me codes that I'll be posting up to get you guys discounts as well. So, a win-win situation all round. So, hopefully, you guys can tune in for that and support the channel and everything going forward. Yeah, really pleased. Can't believe this actually happened. So if you aren't a subscriber, maybe think about subscribing to see these great items being unboxed. Can't believe it. Well chuffed. So anyway, let's crack on with this burn-in test. Right, for all you guys who aren't followers of the channel, every month I have been doing a burn-in test on this TV to highlight any potential burn-in that has occurred over the time that I've had it, and also a vertical band-in test. Now, like I said, I've had this TV now for 6 months, and I'm up to approximately 2,300 hours of use. So a lot of hours of usage on it. I wouldn't say it's been abused or anything, but it has been used like a normal TV should be used, really. I've not really held back in any way. The kids have played on their consoles on it. They've recently broke up from school for the holidays, so it's been getting a bigger hit on the games and that. And I recently bought a game as well, Red Dead Redemption 2, so I've been playing that quite a bit myself. So it's had quite a bit of static gaming, with sort of the like heads-up display type thing on the screen. So be interesting if anything's happened with that. what I will be doing is showing various colours. It will do a colour sweep and I'll let it go through once, highlight individual colours by pausing on there, looking around the screen to see if there is anything up in the corners, because generally that's where you get your logos. And yeah, just basically have thorough inspection of the screen and see where we're at. So let's get out of this now and have a look for burn-in test. There we go. Right, so let's get it underway. Right, see a little bit of band in there to start with. I was expecting that. Let's put down this remote a minute. You have to excuse it if it focuses in and out quite a bit, but I'm trying to do it with the lights off here to highlight any issues. So going into the green now, and then red, and yellow. Right, so I'll try and stop it on a nice bright white, and we'll have a look then. Right, that looks pretty white to me. So starting up top left hand corner, and yeah, all looks pretty good. Yeah, moving across, and all looks clear there. Down the right hand side, all good again. Across the bottom, and nothing's showing up there. Just to point out as well, some people have said, you know, does this get rid of burning? No, it doesn't. This is to highlight it. As the pixels degrade, so let's say the red pixels, maybe, you know, you've had a red logo. When those pixels have degraded, when you put on a red background, you will see, you know, that logo burnt in because those red pixels would have died off. So you will see like a contrast in colour. So that's the reason why I'm stopping it on different colours here. So we'll move on to the next one. And let's put now a nice vibrant blue. Again, starting off in the top left. That all looks good. Moving across the top. And nothing there. Down the side. All good. Across the bottom. Yeah, and that looks fine. Even, you know, shoot in the middle there. All looks good. So let's move on again. Right, onto what's green. So top left again. Nothing there. If you're seeing any squiggly lines or anything, that's just the camera. Nothing to do with the TV. All looks good. And yeah, all clear on that. Move on again. Go to a nice red. Yeah, there we go. So, top left again. Just looking at myself. No, nothing there. Right, I'll have a real good look down the bottom here because I know this potentially could be an issue with some of the games we've been playing recently. And no, I can't see anything. Looks mint, absolutely mint. Like I say, you can see a faint bit of banding, but you know, like I say, that's a separate thing. No, that looks absolutely fine. If it's coming across as a bit orange, that again is the camera, that isn't the TV. What I'm seeing, that looks lovely, vibrant red. You know what I'm looking at now through the camera screen, it looks more orange, but you know, that's fine. And yeah, we're back to like a bluey white. Let's have a look on that. Yeah, all clear. Right, so what we'll do now is move on to the 5% grayscale. 5% grayscale. Let's have a look for vertical banding. Now again, what my phone is showing is emphasizing it a lot worse than what it looks like to my eyes. And yeah, I have got a bit of vertical band in there. Each time I do this test, it does seem to keep sort of changing, but you've got to bear in mind, for all you guys who don't know, every time you've had the TV on for a certain amount of time, I think it's like sort of so many hours, it will do an automatic refresh of the panel, and that can help clear it up. I mean, like I say, it does look worse on there. I mean, we've got sort of this one here, I can see with my eyes more easily than the rest, but the others are sort of there, and now I can only really see through the phone screen. I don't notice any of these when I'm actually watching TV myself, so I'm not actually that bothered about that. And we'll finally move on to a 15% grayscale. 15% grayscale. Right, let's move on and find this. We always buried. There we go. And we have our 15. Again, I can just see with my own eyes. Oh, it's going out of focus. Oh, sorry about this, folks. There we go. Ever so slight bit there. Tiny, tiny bit. But apart from that, yeah, that looks mint. Just get a focus. Yeah, here we go. So, yeah, all looks good to me. So, there you go then, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that video, and if you did, really appreciate a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of the same in the future, maybe think about subscribing. Like I said, got a couple of great items here to unbox, so maybe worth subscribing just to see those being unboxed. And just want to say a big thanks to all my current subscribers for supporting the channel. If it weren't for you guys, I wouldn't be having these items delivered to me to unbox for you, which helps further the channel. So I really, really do appreciate it. I can't believe this is actually happening and how quick it's happened. Clearly you guys enjoy what I'm doing, and I'll continue to do it as long as you guys enjoy watching these videos. So yeah. Oh, and the other thing I actually forgot to mention is at some point, I don't know when, but I'm looking at doing some giveaways for you guys. So maybe when I get some milestones to do with subscribers, I can give back to you guys, a few little things to just say thanks, for supporting the channel. So yeah, look out for that in the future, some giveaways. So anyway, thanks very much for joining me, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.